LinkedIn provides a great way to save the searches that really matter to you. You can save up to 3 searches with the free LinkedIn profile, and I'll show you how saved searches work in this video. Here we go. So from my profile, I'll just go up to the search box and I'll search for social media training. And I'll see what results come back, but essentially I want to narrow it down to just people results. Because it's here under people, you can see saved searches. Here I've got 2 previous searches that I've done already. So I'm allowed to do up to 1 more search alert. So I'll say create search alert. Now the options in terms of receiving alerts about it are weekly or nothing, so may as well select that. You can receive an email or just be notified on LinkedIn once a week. So I'll say email as well and then click save. So as well as those saved searches, you can select opportunities for work. You can look by the date the opportunity is posted. You can ask for what level of experience they're looking for with searches. But the thing about the saved searches is you can go back to those searches at any time and see if there are any new results. If you run saved searches on a paid for platform, you may be able to get up to 10, I believe it is, saved searches. And obviously if you want to create a new save search alert, you'll get the limitation notice there. So you'll have to remove one of them before you can create a new one. But they're very powerful. You can target as well. You don't have to have a broad search. You can go down to the country you're looking for. You can further on say, I want 2nd level connections only. And then let me just go to let's say London. Obviously, if you do that, you have to disconnect United Kingdom as well. So they're reducing in number. And ideally, as you can see here, they've got 61 new results, 54 new results. They're quite targeted searches, so it'd be worth sending connection requests to some of those people. So that's how the saved searches work in 2020. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.